son though, he wants to be an influencer.
Shut up.
Oh yeah?
Nah.
You guys know what's Bruce Lee's favorite drink?
Coke.
What the heck? Nah. Thank you very much. Mahalo. Thank you. Thank you.
That's them again. I missed it.
Oh no! One more time. You gotta come back tomorrow.
Okay.
Here you got beer. Oh, okay. Alright. For all the, that's where you can get anything. Aloha! Woo! Woo! So who's ready for some fire? Baby oil. 3, 2, 1. Hawaiian barbecue. Look close, watch the lava.
Okay, I see it.
Watch the lava, guys. Watch. Got him. Okay, check out the lava. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. One more time. On the hole. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god.
My son though, he wants to be an influencer.
Shut up.
Oh yeah?
Nah.
We got free egg rolls today. Egg roll.
What? See the string?
Oh.
I see the.
Oh. Excellent.
Oh, that's pretty good. Okay.
It's aloha.
Nice. Nice. Thank you.
Alright. Say no to them. Call of Duty. Oh yeah, which one?
Like Black Ops.
Black Ops. Oh, okay. You ever try playing the Warzone?
Yeah.
Oh, pretty hard at that now.
So yeah, it's a bit hard.
I told you no video games today.
Oh, got him. How about you? What do you do? What do you like to do?
I draw.
You draw? Cool. Your calamari. And then we got some Japanese spaghetti. So I heard this joke the other day, and I feel like it was a really good one. What kind of shoes do ninjas wear? What kind of shoes do ninjas wear? Sneakers.
Naruto, that's your guy.
Why didn't 4 ask out 5?
I don't know.
Huh? Because he was too square.
Bye guys, thank you.
There you go. He's in the back club.
Hey, got him.
Happy birthday, baby, she walks, today jumping is crazy. All night long, there's a birthday wish from you from Tanaka and the group. Happy birthday, baby, da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
Thank you so much.
Do your thing. Influence. How was it?
I had a blast eating.